Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to our English lesson. Today we will have Module 2, CLIL 1. In this lesson, we are going to 1. Identify the meaning of 7 new words to use them correctly. 2. Identify the main idea through skimming a text. 3. Locate details to answer comprehension questions through reading. You will find this lesson in your student book page 29 and in your workbook page 22. It's time to learn some new words. Learning new words help us understand the text we are going to read. Let's read some riddles to guess the new words. In each riddle, you will be given a statement, a sentence, and a picture, and you will have to guess the correct word. So our first riddle is, he is someone who writes books. So what do you think the answer is? What do you call the person who writes books? Excellent, an author. Let's move to our next riddle. He's someone who does experiments. I want you to look at the picture. What do we call the person who does experiments? Great job, a scientist. Can you guess our next word? Look at the picture. It's a vegetable. We use it to make popcorn. Can you tell me what is the answer? Yes, corn. How about this riddle? We use it to make chocolate. Look at the picture. Great job. Cocoa beans. We use cocoa beans to make chocolate. Let's guess our next word. Look at the picture. Pages that show days, weeks, and months. Can you tell me what is the word? Great job! Calendar. We use calendars to know the days, the weeks, and the months. Now, let's read this riddle. Look at the picture first. A place filled with water where people clean themselves. What do you think the answer is? Very good. Baths. Now we have a challenging one. I want you here to guess the verb and tell me what is the past tense of this verb. A verb that means to become larger or greater. Look at the picture. Excellent. Grow. And the past tense of this verb is grew. In this riddle, I want you to guess the verb and tell me the past tense of this verb too. The riddle is a verb that means to put on your clothes. Look at the picture. Well done. The verb is wear And the past tense of this verb is wore. Listen and sing. I want you to listen to the words and then repeat loudly.
Author, scientist, corn, cocoa bean, calendar, baths, grow, grew, wear, wore.
Now open your workbook page 22, Activity 1. Read the sentences and choose the correct answer, A or B. Let's do the first one together. What's the date today? I don't know. Let me check the... Yes, calendar. I want you now to stop the video and answer the rest of the sentences. Let's check your answers. 2. Linda blank a uniform to school. Great. Linda wears a uniform to school. 3. Blank must be careful when they do an experiment. Well done. Scientists. 4. My grandfather has got a farm. He grows... Excellent. Corn. We are done with the first objective. We identified the meaning of 7 new words and we used them correctly. Let's move to the next one. Now we are going to use the time machine to go back in time to learn about people and how they lived in the past. The people we are going to learn about are the Romans and the Maya. Have you ever heard about them before? Let's find out more information about them. I want you now to look at the title. Do you know what is the meaning of ancient civilizations? Let's find out what it means. The word ancient means old, and civilization means a group of people joined together to create villages and cities. They share the same language, food, clothes, and rules. This is the text we are going to read. I want you to pay attention to activity 2. Read and answer. Where did the Maya and the Romans live? Read the text and answer this question. Are you ready to read? Let's go.
2. Read and answer. Where did the Maya and Romans live?
Ancient civilizations. Many years ago, some people invented great things that we use and enjoy today. The Maya. The Maya lived in Central America from 2000 BCE to 1517 CE. They were very good at maths, and they were great artists. They were good farmers too. They grew corn, beans, and many other vegetables. They also used cocoa beans to make a chocolate drink. They loved sports and played a ball game like basketball. The Romans. Ancient Rome, 753 BCE to 476 CE, was an important civilization. Roman cities were very modern and beautiful. The Romans invented things like calendars, shopping centres, and even baths. At the baths, they relaxed, talked about important things, and exercised too. The Romans were great authors, artists, and scientists. The Romans wore togas. These were long dresses for men and women.
Can you tell me now, where did the Maya and the Romans live? Well done! The Maya lived in Central America and the Romans lived in ancient Rome. We are done with the second objective. We identified the main idea through skimming a text. Now let's find more details about the text we have read. So open your student book page 29, activity 3. Read again and write M for the Maya or R for the Romans. Let's read the sentences. 1. They played a sport with a ball. 2. They invented baths. 3. They were great authors and artists. 4. They made a chocolate drink. 5. They invented something to show the date. Remember, before you answer, decide in which part of the text you can find the information you need. Now stop the video, read the text again, and answer the activity. Let's check your answers. 1. They played a sport with a ball. Can you tell me what is the answer? Excellent! The Maya. It's written here, they loved sports and played a ball game like basketball. 2. They invented baths. What do you think the answer is? Great! The Romans. The Romans invented shopping centers and even baths. 3. They were great authors and artists. The answer is the Romans. The Romans were great authors, artists, and scientists. 4. They made a chocolate drink. Yes, the answer is the Maya. It's written here, they also used cocoa beans to make a chocolate drink. 5. They invented something to show the date. Yeah, the Romans. The Romans invented things like calendars. Excellent, boys and girls. Now, I want you to imagine that you live in ancient times. Which civilization would you like to live in and why? Stop the video and think. For me, I would like to live in the Roman civilization because I like their buildings, clothes, and their hairstyles. Wow, you did a great job. Finally, we are done with the last objective. You identified the meaning of 7 new words and you used them correctly. You identified the main idea through skimming a text. And finally, you located details to answer comprehension questions through reading. Excellent, boys and girls. Thank you for watching.